Okay, so we're going to begin by just doing a review of some stuff that we've learned in lesson number 2 and then also lesson number 3. So first, you need to know what is an acceleration. So when you accelerate, your speed changes. So it could be a positive acceleration, which means that you're going to go faster, or it could be a negative acceleration, which means that you're going slower. And so this is something that we learned in lesson number 3, and here is our formula for how to calculate accelerations. Okay, also we learned what mass was. So mass is the same thing as inertia, and the more mass an object has, the more inertia it has. And so what this means is that the more mass something has, the harder it's going to be to get it to move, and then the harder it's going to be to stop it from moving once it's moving. And then we introduced what the concept of force was. So a force is a push or a pull. It's abbreviated by a capital F. Its official metric unit is the Newton. And then what forces can do is they can change the speed of an object, and another name for that is acceleration. So forces cause objects to accelerate. And then forces can also change the direction that an object is moving in. And then forces can also change the shape of an object. Okay, and then we also learned about Newton's first law of motion. And so that said that every object which is at rest will stay at rest forever and ever unless acted upon by an outside force. Or if that object is moving, it will continue to move forever and ever in a straight line with a constant speed unless acted upon by an outside force. Okay, let's take a break. When we come back, we will talk about Newton's second law of motion.